Okay, Edexcel Physics 2021, paper 1, and this is for foundation. So, question 1. The sun is at the centre of our solar system. The planets orbit the sun. Which planet is nearest to the sun? So we looked at my very easy method, just speeds up naming planets in a bracket. As Pluto's a dwarf planet. So the nearest M, so we've got a choice of Mercury or Mars, and hopefully you know Mercury is closest to the sun. So Mercury, C, 1 mark. The moon orbits the Earth. Which of these describes the moon? So if I've got something in the middle and something going around with it, you're a satellite of that larger object. And clearly you've got choices for the satellites. You can either be a natural satellite or an artificial satellite. Well, the moon is definitely natural, so that's going to be D, a natural satellite. Next one, any object weighs less on the moon than it does on the Earth. The gravitational field strength on the moon is different. Suggests 2 reasons why the gravitational field strength on the moon is different to that on the Earth. So the crucial parts here, we're going to talk about, well, there's a mass difference and there's a radius difference. If we're to look at the equations for gravitational field strength, we'll see those 2 are in there. So it's any 2 of the following. There's a mass difference, so the Earth has a greater mass. There's a radius difference, or there is a density difference. The Earth is denser than the moon. Now, the crucial part is saying the Earth is bigger is only 1 mark. So I think probably the best 2 to go to are the Earth has a larger mass, the Earth has a greater density because it's got a liquid metal core. An inner core that's solid and an outer core that's liquid, but they're both made out of metal, so that's more dense. On to the next one. So we're now going to need to use my wrinkly gran, and it says here the moon is 1.6 for its gravitational field strength. The mass is 6 kilograms. No unit change there. Perfect. It's in kilograms. State the unit for weight. So W equals M times G. So we've just got to multiply those 2 together. So W equals M times G. 6 times 1.6 is 9.6. And remember, weight is a force. So here's the Earth. Let's have a person over there. Let's have a person over here. It's a force towards the centre of the large mass object. So 9.6 newtons, because that's a force. That's question 1 done.